Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on HP Victus laptop. So basically there's two ways how you can do that. Is by clicking on Windows Shift S, and now it will automatically open a snipping tool, and basically right here you can select different modes, and just by using your mouse drag it like this and now release it, and this will make a screenshot for you. And if that doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you how you can do that different way. So go to the Windows search and type Snipping Tool. This will open the Snipping Tool, and right here you'll see the Snipping Tool, and by clicking on New you'll basically be able to do a screenshot like this. And now you can save, mark it if you need to, and etc. So this is the save button. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.